What if a machine could watch an entire battlefield for days, strike targets with pinpoint accuracy, and travel thousands of kilometers without a pilot on board? In this video, we explore 5 remarkable military drones that are redefining aerial operations, from stealth-powered combat aircraft to intelligence-gathering giants. Stay with us as we reveal their capabilities, performance, technology, and the unique roles that make each one a key player in today's rapidly evolving military landscape. The MQ-9 Reaper represents a major leap in unmanned aerial warfare technology, combining endurance, precision, and remote operation. Its airframe is designed for efficiency and stability, measuring 11 meters in length, with a 20-meter wingspan and 3.8-meter height. It supports a maximum takeoff weight of 4,760 kilograms, enabling it to carry fuel, sensors, and weapons simultaneously. The aircraft is powered by a Honeywell TP331-10 turboprop engine, running on JP8 jet fuel, ensuring compatibility with military fuel infrastructure. In terms of performance, it delivers a speed of up to 480 kilometers per hour, a range of approximately 1,850 kilometers, and an impressive endurance of 27 to 30 hours, allowing it to remain active over mission zones for extended periods. Its weapons systems include AGM-114 Hellfire missiles, GBU-12 laser-guided bombs, and GBU-38 JDAMs, making it capable of precision strikes against both moving and stationary targets. The MQ-9 Reaper is valued at around $30 to $56 million, depending on configuration and mission equipment. Beyond its specifications, its real strength lies in combining surveillance and strike capability in a single platform, reshaping how modern militaries conduct operations with reduced risk to personnel. The MQ-9 continues to influence the evolution of drone warfare, setting the standard for future unmanned combat systems. In modern warfare, information is often as important as firepower. The RQ-4 Global Hawk was created to provide that information through persistent, high-altitude surveillance. Built by Northrop Grumman, the aircraft features an efficient aerodynamic design with a length of 14.5 meters, a wingspan of 39.9 meters, and a height of 4.7 meters. Its structure is made primarily from advanced composite materials, helping support a maximum takeoff weight of 14,628 kilograms. The drone uses a Rolls-Royce AE 3007H turbofan engine powered by JP8 fuel. This engine allows it to reach speeds of approximately 629 kilometers per hour while maintaining efficient long-duration flight. Its strategic value comes from its exceptional operational performance. The aircraft can remain airborne for over 32 hours and travel more than 22,000 kilometers, allowing commanders to maintain continuous surveillance over critical areas. The Global Hawk does not carry traditional weaponry. Instead, it employs advanced radar systems, electro-optical sensors, infrared cameras, and electronic intelligence equipment. These tools allow it to detect threats, monitor troop movements, and support military planning. With an estimated price between $130 million and $220 million, the Global Hawk is one of the most expensive unmanned aircraft ever built. However, its ability to gather strategic intelligence across vast distances has made it indispensable for national security, border surveillance, maritime monitoring, and military operations worldwide. The MQ-20 Avenger is an advanced unmanned combat aerial vehicle developed by General Atomics. Designed as a next-generation drone, the Avenger combines stealth, speed, and long-range strike capabilities for modern military operations. The aircraft features a sleek, jet-powered design with an internal weapons bay that significantly reduces radar visibility. Its composite body structure and stealth-shaped fuselage enable effective operations in contested airspace, where survivability is critical. The MQ-20 Avenger measures approximately 13 meters in length, has a wingspan of 20 meters, and stands about 4.7 meters high. The aircraft has a maximum takeoff weight of around 8,255 kilograms, allowing it to carry substantial fuel, sensors, and weapons. Unlike traditional propeller-driven drones, the Avenger is powered by a Pratt & Whitney 545B turbofan engine. Operating on military-grade jet fuel, this engine delivers significantly higher performance than earlier unmanned aircraft. The MQ-20 can achieve speeds exceeding 740 kilometers per hour, making it one of the fastest unmanned combat aircraft currently available. It offers an operational range of approximately 1,800 kilometers and can remain airborne for up to 20 hours, providing excellent endurance for both surveillance and strike missions. The aircraft is capable of carrying a diverse range of weaponry, including AGM-114 Hellfire missiles, GBU-12 Paveway 2 laser-guided bombs, GBU-38 Joint Direct Attack munitions, and other precision-guided munitions. Beyond strike operations, it can conduct intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance, electronic warfare, and target acquisition missions. With an estimated unit cost of $15 to $20 million, depending on configuration and mission equipment, the MQ-20 Avenger represents the future of unmanned aerial warfare, combining stealth, speed, endurance, and precision into a highly capable combat platform. The Loong II has established itself as one of the leading combat drones in the world. The name Loong means winged dragon in Chinese, a fitting title for an aircraft designed to patrol vast distances and strike targets with precision. The drone features a robust composite airframe with a high-wing layout and V-tail structure. It is 11 meters long, 4.1 meters high, and has a wingspan of 20.5 meters. Its maximum takeoff weight reaches approximately 4,200 kilograms. A fuel-efficient turboprop engine powered by Aviation jet fuel drives the aircraft. This propulsion system supports missions lasting up to 32 hours, making the Loong II ideal for continuous surveillance and reconnaissance. The drone's operational range exceeds 4,000 kilometers, while its maximum speed is around 370 kilometers per hour. These capabilities allow it to monitor large areas and respond rapidly to emerging threats. The Loong II can carry numerous weapons, including precision-guided bombs, anti-tank missiles, and tactical strike missiles. These systems are commonly used against military vehicles, fortified positions, and strategic targets. Another major advantage is cost-effectiveness. Depending on equipment and support packages, the drone generally costs between $5 and $10 million. Combining long endurance, significant payload capacity, modern sensors, and affordable pricing, the Loong II has become a powerful example of how unmanned aircraft are transforming military operations in the 21st century. The Heron TP, also known as the Aton, is one of the largest and most capable unmanned aerial vehicles developed by Israel Aerospace Industries. The name Heron refers to a large wading bird known for patience, sharp vision, and focus while hunting, qualities that reflect this drone's mission profile. The Heron TP features a streamlined composite body structure and high aspect ratio wings designed to maximize endurance and fuel efficiency. The aircraft measures approximately 14 meters in length, stands about 5 meters high, and has an impressive wingspan of 26 meters. With a maximum takeoff weight of around 5,400 kilograms, it ranks among the heaviest operational UAVs. Power is provided by a Pratt & Whitney PT6, a turboprop engine generating roughly 1,200 horsepower. Using standard aviation turbine fuel such as Jet A or JP8, the drone can reach speeds of approximately 407 kilometers per hour. One of its greatest strengths is endurance. The Heron TP can remain airborne for more than 36 hours and operate at ranges exceeding 7,400 kilometers, making it ideal for long-duration surveillance missions. Primarily used for intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance, it can also carry precision-guided munitions. Depending on configuration, a complete system is estimated to cost between $35 and $50 million. The Heron TP demonstrates the growing importance of advanced unmanned systems in modern warfare.
A new
These
era
five
of
unmanned
air
aircraft
power
showcase
takes to the
just how far aerial
skies.
technology has
5
advanced.
distinct
If you enjoyed this
platforms,
breakdown, subscribe
one
to
shared
Digibot
mission,
and join us for more cutting-edge
shaping
military
the
aviation
future
systems,
of
shaping
global
the future of
security.
defense.